Thailand is beautifully chaotic and full of friendly people. And hot. Very hot. So, if you want to survive daily life without melting, crying or accidentally summoning a tuk-tuk boss fight, here are the hacks you need. In Thailand, umbrellas aren't just for rain. They are portable anti-sun shields. Forget SPF 50. Think SPF 500. Shade per fabric. You'll see people casually spraying their face with menthol cooling mist. And yes, it feels like sticking your head in a fridge. The fancy ones are called ice sprays or snow sprays. Basically pocket-sized winter for 40 baht. If done right, spraying is only half survival. The other half is performance art. Baby powder isn't just for babies. It's the local anti-sweat hack. And if you really want to level up, get the cooling version. You'll see it everywhere, even in convenience stores. I'm not naming the brand unless they sponsor me, but let's just say it's that reptile with commitment issues about legs. Yes, you may look like you lost a fight with flour, but hey, at least you'll be dry and not smell like summer's personal vendetta. Bangkok traffic is legendary. Cars move slower than reincarnation, so locals hop on motorbike taxis. It's terrifying, yes, and you'll question your life choices weaving between buses. But it's also the closest thing to teleportation you'll get. Thai taxis come in several colors. And no, the paint shop doesn't change the price. Single colors usually belong to taxi companies, while the two-tone ones are privately owned by independent drivers. It's basically Uber meets Mario Kart. The only real hack? Pick the one where you can visibly see the driver is cold. If you order food, never just say not spicy. That's like telling a dragon to chill. The magic phrase is pet noi, a little spicy, which still translates to mild lava. But you'll survive. Unlike when you order pet normal, which translates to a new digestive system. Street food isn't sketchy, it's science. The hotter the wok, the safer the food. It's actually often safer than you'd think because of constant heat, constant turnover and zero leftovers. Rule of thumb: if the wok looks older than you, congrats, it's probably fine. Handshake? Nope. In Thailand, you Y. Palms together, slight bow. It's the polite nod, the prayer hands and the tourist panic button all in one. Public bathrooms don't always stock toilet paper. So the ultimate survival hack? Bring your own tissues. Trust me, this is not the kind of surprise you want on your trip. Always check your shoes before putting them on. Why? Because sometimes a frog, a lizard or even a scorpion decides it's their Airbnb. It's Cinderella, but the slipper bites back. Thailand's 7-Elevens aren't just convenience stores. They are AC, food, snacks, bill payment, everything. It's not convenience, it's religion. But that's a whole other video, so for now just remember 7-Eleven is your respawn point. So yeah, Thailand is hot, loud, spicy and occasionally frog-filled. But with these hacks you'll survive like a pro, or at least sweat slightly less. Learn them, live them, or end up stuck in Bangkok traffic until your next reincarnation.